financial advisor na umaalis after 1 year. Hi, my name is Bri, and I'm IT by profession. I'm a manager for 6 years under Ravens Tower and leading 28 financial advisors. For the past 10 years in Sun Life, I've helped more than 1,000 families and I've helped them manage their financial portfolios. Alam niyo ba, taon-taon ang daming excited na mag-join sa industry namin. Pero sa unang taon pa lang, nawawala na sila. Not because they're not capable, but because they didn't have the right mindset, support, and tools. Bakit ang daming umaalis na financial advisor in their first year? Number 1, they don't want to feel rejected. Many new advisors enter the business and they're expecting quick wins. Pero the moment na madinig nila yung pass muna ako or next time na lang, bigla na lang silang napapanghinaan ng loob. But here's the fact. Rejection is not personal. It's part of the process. Every no brings you closer to a yes. And yung mga top advisors today, they just keep showing up despite the no's. Number 2, negative mindset. Advisor would say, hindi pala madali ito, or kaya, wala akong benta, or hindi yata ako pang sales. Pero itong mga thoughts na ganito, kill momentum before action even start. A negative mindset leads to procrastination, excuses, and eventually, quitting. So ano yung reality? This business rewards for those who believe in growth. You don't need to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Number 3, limited market or no network. Many think na, kasi baka wala akong kakilala eh. Or kaya naubos na yung prospects ko. But that's not true. You just haven't learned how to expand your reach. Kasi guys, social media is a gold mine. Proper referral strategies, online branding, and relationship building skills can take your market from 20 to 2,000. The market isn't limited. Yung limited lang is yung ginagawa mo kasing approach. So guys, don't let these reasons stop you. And guess what? Hindi mo kasi kailangan gawin to mag-isa. With the right mindset, tool, and support system, kayang-kaya mo. So if you like this video, leave it a thumbs up and follow for more.